Hello everyone, today we are here with this limit problem. We have to find out this value of the limit. Now let us solve this problem. Now if 1 less than k less than n, then this implies if we add n square each side, so we get actually here we add n square each side, so that is n square plus k less or equal to n square plus n. So this implies if we take square root, that is n square plus 1 less or equal to n square plus k square root of n square plus n. So this implies 1 upon square root of n square plus n less or equal to square root of n square plus k less or equal to square root of n square plus 1. This holds if k equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot n. From this equation we got k equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot n. So we give this equation as equation number 1. So put k equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot n in equation 1. We get what we get here. We put k equal to 1, 2, 3 dot 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 n. So what we actually get square root of n square plus n less or equal to square root of n square plus 1 for k equal to 1 square root of n square plus 1. Again for n k equal to 2 we get actually n square plus n less or equal to n square plus 2 square root of n square plus 1. Again for k equal to 3 we get n square plus 3 less or equal to square root of n square plus 1. So this dot 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 dot. So for k equal to n we get actually n square plus n less than or equal to n square plus n less or equal to n square plus 1. So now if we add all these equations, so what we actually get, left hand side is fixed, all is 1 upon n square square root of n square plus 1. So that is n upon n square plus n, and this middle term is actually our given. We have to find the limit of that function. So let us say that is xn. So in the right side it is fixed, all are square root of n square plus 1. So that there is n such number is there, so that is n into n square plus 1. So now limit n tending to infinity n by square root of n square plus n, that is limit n tending to infinity 1 upon square root of 1 by n. If we divide by 1 by n, so that is actually 1. Again limit n tending to infinity n upon n square plus n, that is actually limit n tending to infinity 1 upon, sorry, this should be 1 upon 1 plus 1 by n square. So this is actually 1 because this goes to 0, this goes to 0, so this one. So we had n by n square plus 1 less or equal to xn less or equal to n upon, this is actually n square plus 1. So now this limit goes to 1 and this limit goes to 1. So we know that Sandwich theorem, let us recall that theorem. If an goes to L, limit n tending to infinity an goes to L, and limit n tending to infinity bn goes to L, and if an less or equal to xn less or equal to bn, this goes to this goes to L, this goes to L, then limit n tending to infinity xn will also goes to L. So in our case, this goes to 1 and this goes to 1, so xn will goes to 1. Therefore by Sandwich theorem, limit n tending to infinity xn will be goes to 1. Proved. Thanks for watching.